I got an engine in the boneyard, so why don't I bring that to the loader, fix the up, and bring it home? Because that'll save us a whole bunch of commotion, bringing the dozer over and all that. That should be quick, put us back on the goal.
Tony has a radical plan.
Lift that boom up.
Instead of hauling the loader back to the mine, he harvests an engine from the boneyard
Let's keep it square.
and plans on dropping it into the dead loader.
Good.
Then driving it back.
You can't get beside it. You're lucky to get behind that piece of equipment. It's kind of like stuck on top of a hill. We come with the side boom, we just drive up there, sit there, lift the engine out with it, and then we can drive it out.
A side boom is designed to lay heavy pipes in rocky or uneven terrain. The perfect machine to swap out an engine where there's no room to move.
Yeah, I'm free over here.
This is a really handy machine to have. This is going relatively smooth.
The old engine removed, Monica lifts the new one into position.
But the most important thing is you always want to watch the people directing you, because you can't see. You don't know where those people's fingers are.
I'm clear on this side. How about you? You good? I'm good on my side right now, as of right now. As long as we keep her straight and... Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, we're singing, buddy.
Golden.
It went pretty slick. They're way ahead of schedule. I mean, that's always good. So basically all they gotta do is right now hook it up, hook up a couple of hoses, hook up the radiator, the fan, and they fire it up and take off.
It's been 5 years since this engine was last turned over.
Okay, fire in the hole, gentlemen. There you go.
The king of the Klondike is back in business.
Keep going. Keep going. Holy what the was that? Hey, something is loading up the engine. And it only can be hydraulics and it can only be the transmission. And neither one of them I can see them do it. So just by putting in a new engine doesn't mean the transmission shouldn't kick in, so it that altogether, I guess.
Tony's failure to resurrect the dead Dozer has left his mining operation shut down.
Next time I have a bright idea, I'm gonna see a doctor first. That might be cheaper.
Tony's plan is for Cody to fabricate a steel tow bar. He'll hitch it to the only piece of machinery big enough to haul the loader off Flat Creek. The 63-ton, 520 horsepower D10 Dozer.
Well, we're gonna pull the blade off because we don't get much benefit having it on for what we want to do. We're not actually pushing any dirt. All right.
Well, we'll find out if Cody did a good job with that tow bar. They say all the other ones that had people build work, so there's no reason why this one wouldn't.
Tony brings in his son, heavy load specialist Mike Beets.
Good? Mike, put your airbags up first.
While Mike hauls the dozer around Paradise Hill, Tony fits the tow bar to the loader's bucket.
Yeah, I'm all set, so I'm done. Lift the thing up, see what happens. It should work. And we'll find out in a second, I guess. Okay, lift it up a little bit, Mike.
It needs to hold all 48 tons of loader.
That's good. Hold it, hold it. A little bit at a time. Hold. Okay, pull it. Nice, slow and steady, Mike. Just keep it going like that.
See, if you get a D10 in front of the thing, not many things are going to argue the point with it.
It takes 4 hours for Mike to get the loader 6 miles back to the yard.
I should have done this the first time, I guess, but anyway. That went good, Mike, huh?
Oh, yeah. It pushed slightly going downhill, and
of course it would.
a grunt slightly going uphill, but other than that, barely anything. Eaters.
Oh, come on, a great big guy like you know what it takes to but eat you. Hello.
Now, this loader has been kind of a...
Next morning, Kevin's found the problem.
I think it should go now. What was happening is that a couple of the valves were a little stuck. Had to pull some of them, and they were a real pain to get out. This should mean that the transmission is now free to move, which should allow the engine to move, which should allow the whole thing, to run. Yeah, she should be good to go at this point.
After 4 days of downtime, the Beets crew has a working loader. They can finally get back to mining.
Thank God that we got the loader. We could finally have a steady run time with the trommel, get back to sluicing, and maybe succeed in Tony's 3,000-ounce goal.
I'm Parker Schnabel and you're watching Discovery Australia. Hit subscribe now to not miss out on any Gold Rush content.